In today's video, we are diving into the world of knit dresses. So get ready as I showcase a variety of stylish ways to rock your knit dresses for the autumn and winter seasons. Hello fabulous ladies, and a warm welcome to all the viewers joining us today. I'm thrilled to have you here on my channel where we embrace fashion, style, beauty, lifestyle, and all things fabulous. Well, if you're new, I'm Bridgette, your go-to guide for all things fabulous in your 40s and beyond. To those just passing by, you have just stumbled upon a stylish corner of the internet. And to my regular viewers, it's always a pleasure to have you back here for another fabulous and stylish journey together. With the chill of autumn and winter settling in, it's time to cozy up in style. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a fashion-forward guide on how to style your knit dresses for the cooler months ahead. From cozy casual vibes to elevated chic looks, we will explore it all. So whether you're a fan of bold colors or you prefer classic neutrals, there is something here for everyone. All these dresses that I'll be styling in today's video are from my personal wardrobe. I got all of them from Forever New. I love Forever New knit dresses and I think the quality is good. Please note, this video is not sponsored. Let's jump right in and get those knit dress styling ideas flowing. Imagine stepping out in sleek sophistication with this all black ensemble. I started with a chic black short-sleeved knit dress offering both comfort and style. I layered it with a long black maxi coat, which adds an extra touch of elegance. Then I slipped into some black knee-high boots to complete the look with a dash of flair. I finished off this look with gold earrings and a structured black bag. This outfit is perfect for a variety of occasions, from a sophisticated evening dinner to a stylish night out on the town. Whether you're attending a formal event or you simply want to elevate your everyday look, this ensemble exudes timeless charm and effortless glamour. For the second look, picture yourself in refined elegance with this ensemble, featuring a brown long-sleeved knit dress paired with a creamy maxi coat. It exudes warmth and sophistication. I elevated the look with stylish leopard print heels for a touch of boldness and complemented it with a matching brown bag for a cohesive finish. This classy outfit is perfect for a variety of occasions, from a cozy brunch with friends to a sophisticated afternoon tea. If you want to make a statement during a casual outing, this outfit effortlessly blends chic style with timeless charm. What's great about these long-sleeved knit dresses is that you can wear them by themselves during autumn, and then you can layer them with blazers and coats when winter comes around. The third look features a vibrant Viva Magenta long-sleeved knit dress. It exudes elegance and charm. I paired it with colorful heels from Steve Madden to add a playful pop of color, and then I accessorized with a chic blue handbag for a touch of refinement. This outfit is perfect for a variety of occasions, from a daytime wedding to a fancy cocktail party. Whether you're attending a special event or you simply want to stand out in style during a night out with friends, this ensemble effortlessly blends sophistication with a fun, vibrant flair. On a very cold day, I can also layer this dress with a coat or blazer in a complementary color. The next look is an ensemble featuring a cream short sleeve knit dress. It exudes timeless charm and versatility. I layered it with a structured camel blazer for added warmth and style. I then elevated the look with brown hued sandals for a touch of understated glamour. I completed the ensemble with a brown oversized structured handbag for a polished finish. This outfit is perfect for a variety of occasions, from a business meeting to daytime events. Whether you are attending a luncheon or simply want to exude sophistication during a city stroll, this ensemble effortlessly blends classic elegance with modern flair. I can also swap the heeled sandals with a pair of platform brogues for comfort. These are great for days when I have lots of leg work to do. And you don't have to sacrifice style for comfort. You can have it all. The final look for today's video features a versatile grey long sleeve knit dress. It offers both comfort and style. Then I reached out for the black maxi coat again to layer the dress for added warmth and elegance. Then I slipped into the knee-high boots again for a touch of urban charm. I topped it off with a stylish black hat for a trendy twist, and then I accessorized with a black tote bag for practicality. This outfit is perfect for a variety of occasions, from a casual weekend outing to a night out on the town. Whether you're attending a gallery opening or you simply want to elevate your everyday look, this ensemble effortlessly blends sophistication with urban flair. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the endless possibilities of styling the knit dresses for autumn and winter seasons. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself. So don't be afraid to mix and match to create your own unique style. I hope you found inspiration and ideas to elevate your cold winter wardrobe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family. Drop a comment below sharing your favorite look and how you'll be styling your knit dresses this season. Until next time, stay stylish, stay fabulous. Bye.